Hello everyone. Good morning children. How are you all? I hope you all well. So today we are going to start a lecture of chapter number 5th. So first we revised the last all lectures and then we'll start a new topic. So come to the chapter 5th. Fast fast fast. कितना हिस्ट्री का अच्छा चैप्टर है, पूरा स्टोरी टाइप है. सो आप सब एंजॉय कर रहे हो ना ये चैप्टर. जस्ट सेकेंड, वेट. ये रहा. यस. Chapter 5th. So in 5th chapter we have learned about the Simon Commission and then Nehru Committee, then demand for complete independence, then Dandi Yatra. So Dandi Yatra में important points है, all the numerical information, and there is a two slogan which I told you. Then Gandhi even packed roundtable conference. Then Quit India movement, strike during the Quit India movement, harmful activities during Quit India movement. These all topics we had very properly learned in the last all lectures. I hope you all remember that. Then failure of government in crushing the struggle. Then Azad in Fauj and Subhash Chandra Bose. Then Azad in Fauj and Indian Independent League. Then establishment of provisional government by Subhash Chandra Bose. See, many points we have done. Then last step and martyrdom of Subhas Bapu, achieving independence and partition of India, and then Mountbatten Plan and partition of India. So in the last lecture we have done till the Mountbatten Plan, and the new topic, the Indian Independence Act, will start today, right? So you all remember all the informations which we have learned in last lecture. Still again we repeat here the last two topics. The first one is the achieving independence and partition of India, and the second one is the Mountbatten Plan and partition of India, which we have done in last lecture. So now how to achieve independence and how to participation of India. So, in this paragraph, there is a importance where Babubhai Desai, Jawaharlal Nehru pleaded their case, and the British government inflicted them with punishment. But on 20th February 1947, Attali, the Prime Minister of Britain, announced that the British government shall give all the powers to the Government of India as per the Cabinet Mission formula and shall quit India by June 1948. Underline this point, on 20th February to June 1948. And the situation was changed, and Mountbatten was appointed as a viceroy in place of Lord Warren. And when he took a charge of his post, normally riots had started in India, and then condition of India had become pathetic. And in July 1946, ये सब अंडरलाइन करना है आप लोगों को. In July 1946, 201 seats secured out of 210 in Congress, and Muslim League Muslim League 73 seats out of 78 from provinces of India for the prior formation of the Constituent Assembly. Then, on a 16th August, Pakistan government pressurized the League. That's why the communal riots are spread all over the India. Then, Muslim League boycotted the first cabinet meeting on 9th December 1946, and finally executive held on 31st January 1947. decided to boycott the cabinet meeting and gave a rapid and extensive program for the demand for Pakistan. And finally, uh, Sardar Patel, then Nehru, uh, convinced by Mountbatten, who understood that the matter, having a well organized central government having administrative units under the center, shall be the more peaceful, the progressive instead of a weak central government consisting of many autonomous and opposite constituents. So national leaders found these arguments acceptable, and then Sardar Patel and Nehru discussed this matter with Gandhiji, who also helpless and accept the arrangement of partition of India with heavy heart, and finally done the partition of India and Pakistan. Then Mountbatten plan. So it is very easy topic and very small topic. So Viceroy Mountbatten on 24th March 1947 presented his scheme, and according to his scheme, there was no alternative other than the partition of India. That's why the national and prolific leaders like Sardar Patel understood the matters, and after many discussions, they uh, finally, 3rd June 1947, decided to plan the partition of India. And then Congress leader, sorry, Congress leader and Muslim League accepted this plan, and then plan started getting implemented. So many people of East Bengal and Sylhet provinces of Assam decided to join East Pakistan, then West Bengal and East Bengal decided to join with India as per the decision of the assembly, and West Punjab joined with Pakistan. It was decided to affiliate the northwest provinces, Sindh and Balochistan with Pakistan. So in the last paragraph, information given about the which state joined which country, Pakistan or India. So here we done this two topic short revision and important points. So now we start the Indian Independence Act, July 1947. I hope today's this chapter will done. So Indian Independence Act, July 1947. So the British Parliament passed name. मैं start करती हूँ, but before that you just read this Mountbatten plan and this uh, two information info topic, because one kind of a revision and reading, and then we'll start a new topic. So within a 1 minute try to revise it or go through just topic. Okay. थोड़ी स्पीड इंक्रीज करना. And this numerical information is very important. Huh? Okay, done. 1 minute finish. Okay, chalo start. Finally, we are moving on to next topic. Indian Independence Act, July 1947. So, British Parliament passed the Indian Independence Act according to Mountbatten Plan. According to this, India's first Governor General was Mountbatten, and Janab Jinha was the Governor General of Pakistan. India's first governor was Mountbatten, and the Pakistan first Governor General is a Janab Jinnah. And by this act, India's dependence on British rule came to the end. Finally, British rule came to end, and therefore the Gandhiji considered this act as the one and only best and beneficial act given by Britishers to India. See, uh, with this act, India's dependence on British rule came to the end, and that's why the Gandhiji considered this act as the one and only best and beneficial act given by Britishers to India. Understood? कि गांधी जी इनको कंसिडर करते थे कि फक्त एक ही ऐसा ये एक्ट है जो बेस्ट भी है और बेनिफिशियल भी है कि जो ब्रिटिशर्स के थ्रू इंडिया को दिया गया है. फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा कुछ हुआ था कि ब्रिटिशर्स ने कुछ अच्छा किया था इंडिया छोड़ के. And the last viceroy of British government organized a function in New Delhi at midnight of August 14. अगस्त 14 मिडनाइट को न्यू दिल्ली में एक फंक्शन ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ था. एंड द यूनियन जैक ऑफ इंग्लैंड वॉज ब्रॉट डाउन फ्रॉम द पॉल एंड द इंडियन नेशनल फ्लैग ट्री कलर वॉज हॉस्टेड. एट दैट नाइट इंडियन ट्री कलर फ्लैग होस्ट किया गया था. एंड द डॉक्यूमेंट्स attributing the independence to India were handed over by the Mountbatten to Siraj Gopalachari, the first Governor General of independent India. So before independence, our first Governor General Mountbatten, but after independence, the first Governor General was Siraj Gopalachari. Please underline कीजिए. Entire atmosphere was full of excitement, happiness, and joy spread everywhere. The entire process of the first Governor General of entire process of transfer of power was completed, and finally on 15 August 1947 was an excellent dawn for India. Dawn means morning. Dawn means morning. So, on a midnight 14th October, all things decided and more powers transferred to Siraj Gopalachari, and finally, atmosphere was very full of excitement and with the joy and happiness, and finally, entire process of transfer of power was completed, and that's why the morning of 15th August 1947 was excellent for our country, for India. So celebrate the first Independence Festival very pleasantly and cheerfully in the entire country, like a kind of a festival, because all the people of our country is very happy and very excited for celebrate that day, because that day was the first independence festival for our. So everywhere people hung torrents and good omen on doors. Sweets were distributed in schools. Many people who had taken a vow felt relieved on its fulfillment, but Gandhiji was a shock due to the partition of India, and therefore he had deeply plunged into the grief and drifted into meditation. No doubt, at everywhere in all the country, very happiness was spread, and सब इतने खुश थे और सब एंजॉय कर रहे थे. But the Gandhi ji was very shocked due to partition of India, because they he didn't want की partition हो, and that's why he was in shock, and therefore he had deeply plunged into grief and then drift into the meditation. So here we done this topic, the Indian Independence Act 1947, which is very easy and very small topic. So you just read in 30 seconds, and then we'll start India becoming independent and the immediate problems of it. So just read it within a 30 seconds, and then we'll start a new topic. Okay. Okay, chalo. So come to the next topic. India becoming independent and the immediate problems of it. India and Pakistan, two separate independent nations, came into existence as a result of Mountbatten Plan. See, India and Pakistan, there is a two country and two separate country independent nation come into existence due to Mountbatten Plan results and Indian independence in 1947. The resolution to the following problems had to be found out. First, reorganization reorganization of military force. Second, dispute over asset and properties कि भी कौन सी asset and properties इंडिया में रहेगी और कौन सी पाकिस्तान में. Then debt and credits, problems and settlement of refugees, public service and arrangement of civil servant and administrative staff, then demarcation of international boundaries on eastern and western side of India to be fixed, etc. See, here we give a six important problems. Many others are there, but in our course only six are given there. First, reorganization of military force, then dispute over asset and properties, then debt and credits, then problems and settlement of refugees, then public service and the arrangement of civil servants and administrative staff. And the last one is the demarcation of international boundary on eastern and western side of India to be fixed. Please underline these 6 points, which is problems had found out. A five-member committee consisting of a two representatives, each from India and Pakistan, was formed under the chairmanship of Lord Mountbatten. There is a five-member committee consisting of two representatives, each from India and Pakistan. एक कमेटी बनाई गई 5 मेंबर की, उसमें से दो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव एक इंडिया का एक पाकिस्तान का होना चाहिए. And the committee appointed different commission consisting of the expert of relevant subject to solve all the problems. And then उन्होंने एक डिफरेंट कमीशन बनाया अलग अलग प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए रिलेवेंट टू द सब्जेक्ट. In case of any difference of opinion, both the nation admitted to accept the final decision given by the arbitrator, and consisting of one representative of India and one of the Pakistan, under the chairmanship of the former Chief Justice of India. सी बन्ने नेशन दोनों नेशन ने एडमिट किया था कि भी जो भी फाइनल डिसीजन आर्बिट्रेटर का होगा वो एक्सेप्ट करेंगे इन केस एनी डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन दैन ओनली. And these are representative of India consisting of only one of Pakistan and one of India under the chairmanship of former Chief Justice of our India. Then Military Commandant General of India compiled the partition of army, military weapons, etc. And the British Army left India by February 28, 1948. All officers and employees of administration, military, judiciary were given opportunity to choose whether they would serve India or Pakistan. On 28 February 1948, British Army ने इंडिया छोड़ दिया था. And then जो भी मिलिट्री जुडिशरी के जो भी एम्प्लॉयज़ थे, जो भी ऑफिसर्स थे, उनको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दी गई भाई आपको इंडिया को ज्वाइन करना है या पाकिस्तान को ज्वाइन किया है करना है. They were given assurance about their pay, allowances, and security of service and pensions, etc. And a large number of refugees from both the countries migrated and leaving their house and properties. So many employees जो थे वहाँ तब उन्होंने माइग्रेट किया उनके कंट्रीज से एंड उनके घर उनकी प्रॉपर्टी सब छोड़ दिया. एंड इंडिया सॉल्व द ट्रेमेंडस प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ द रिहेबिलिटेशन and restoration very skillfully and patiently because many officers and experts went to the Pakistan and many officers and employees came from the Pakistan to India. So at that time इंडिया को बहुत सा प्रॉब्लम से वो फेस करने पड़े थे एंड पैशनेटली एंड स्किलफुली सब रिस्टोर करना पड़ा था. And the then deputy prime minister and the home minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel merged about 562 small and big princely state of India into the Indian Union. This topic we have done detailing in chapter number 7. I hope you all remember that because in that chapter we have very perfectly study and learned about this topic in detailed information. Okay, how to merge that small and big princely state and कैसे सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल ने उन सबको कन्विंस किया था and all that. So yet a long-term planning to find a solution to problems like effect of communal riots due to partition, the shock of Mahatma Gandhi's death, to make an independent India self-reliant with the help of good governance, the weak condition of India agriculture, to create an atmosphere of peace and a tranquility in the country, and the internal external security of a country, etc. become necessary. See, लॉन्ग टर्म प्लानिंग बाकी था और वो करना भी था और बहुत से प्रॉब्लम्स का सॉल्यूशन भी फाइंड करना था और मैनी कम्युनल राइट्स भी हुए थे ड्यू टू पार्टीशन. सो दैट्स वाई द महात्मा गांधी जी की और देन महात्मा गांधी जी की डेथ और उनका शॉक एंड मैनी प्रॉब्लम्स combined at that time and India went to in a very dilemma situation okay, what to do and how to do and how to face that situation. But still at that time many are national leaders take decision very perfectly and patiently and then finally secured secured our country and इन एग्रीकल्चर की कंडीशन वीक थी तो वो भी उनको अच्छे से बाहर लाना था उसमें से भी. सो आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस फॉर समटाइम्स मैनी प्रॉब्लम्स हमें फेस करने पड़े थे बट दैन ऑल आर सेट एंड नाउ वी कैन सी कि अब हमारा कंट्री कैसा है. So here we done this topic India becoming independent and immediately problems of it कि किस टाइप के प्रॉब्लम्स थे कैसे फेस किया वो सब. सो फाइनली वी डन दिस चैप्टर this topic. So in this chapter very important questions which you have already written in your book in homework. So I hope you are done. But still if anyone not done then she can write a whole exercise because exercise में भी सब cover हो ही जाता है. So in today's homework write a short note on Indian Independence Act and also write a short note on India becoming independent and immediately problems of it. So सब टॉपिक कवर हो जाएंगे और ऐसे ही मैंने सब क्वेश्चंस टॉपिक वाइज दी गई है. सो अगर आपने नहीं लिखे तो then you have to write exercise otherwise not needed. Okay, then so in 1 minute you just read this and then we'll finally done this lecture with chapter and from the next lecture we start a revision for FA1. You have only 10 days for preparation, so please start the preparation and do best prepare for the FA1. Okay, complete? Good. See, from the exercise, you just see the MCQs question, because we covered only the short notes and big questions in chapters. So just try to solve the MCQs from the exercise. Okay. So okay, finally done. Goodbye everyone.